Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Pulse HR, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the band. Before we start, if you want to be able to receive the notifications from your Android phone on your smartband needs to be paired with your phone via the WITHINGS HealthMate application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now let's open the WITHINGS HealthMate application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the device page, and on this page find the option called notifications, tap on it, and here we can enable the notifications or disable them, of course, by tapping on the switch enable notifications or next to enable notifications. So to enable the notifications, tap on the switch, and once you enable them, you will be able to enable the notifications for incoming calls, messages, and also specific apps. First, let's enable the incoming calls notifications. So basically, if somebody calls you on your phone, the band will vibrate on you, and it will display who is calling you. So to enable this notification, tap on the switch and allow the required permissions, like that. If you see this message, tap on continue. Find the WITHINGS HealthMate app on the list of notification access, or it's gonna be called something else on the newer versions of Android, I don't remember, but basically you need to find the HealthMate application, tap on it, and tap on the switch next to allow notification access, then tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, you can go back, and you can also enable the notifications for messages, and then you can scroll down and enable and disable notifications for specific apps. Basically, if you enable the notification for the, let's say, Connect application, and you will receive the notifications or notification from that app on your phone, it will be forwarded to your smartband. But if it's disabled, it won't be. You will only see it on your phone. So if you want to see notification from the app on your smartband, you need to enable the notifications for it right here. For example, I'm gonna enable Discord. And then once you're done customizing the notification settings, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive them on your smartband. So I enabled the notifications for Discord, so I'm gonna send myself a message on the Discord. And as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our smartband. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for the smartband on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.